Hello everyone and welcome to this new video on my server, and today I'm going to discuss the Nostalrius server. You all know the Nostalrius server was very popular vanilla server that comes in February or for a year ago I think, but things have changed. Many people love their experience and it was a real classic. It was like the from from the classic one. I have played from the classic one. It is awesome. And now I'm playing it on another server, but I hope not Blizzard take it down because I have one thing to say to Blizzard: fuck you, fuck you. You have made uh, you have made many people and missed so much of the uh, subscriptions you have to the other people. That's why people. That's why people get off the WoW because it's not playable anymore. It's just not enough. It's just you have changed it to the worser to the worser. Believe it, Legion. It would be a little bit of better, but don't ever mess with the private servers. Because private servers is mean to be is not meant to be very to steal. It's meant to support Blizzard and mean that they love your game and they want to recreate from the expansions. And many other people has asked this. Cannot Blizzard make a server for all the others, like on the BlizzCon? They said, "Hey, you don't want it, but you think you want it, but you don't." But that you have terribly wrong, terribly. That's so terrible to play a game who is not a vanilla, because Vanilla was a very cool game. It was very clean. It was hard to level up. Now it's easy and more boring. That's I have to say about that. But I and if you want to support them, to if you want to support them, you can go into the website and they will tell you what to do if you want to support Nostalrius. But I think that you, Blizzard, has take wrong, terribly wrong of any vanilla games. You have to take too many vanilla games into the past few years. That's because you and your adventures, and it's not enough. It's you against you. I don't know what to talk about here, but I wanted to talk about there. I want to discuss that you have did a terribly wrong decision. You have made people cry. You have made people to leave WoW from good. You have and you are jealous because of they got many views, more subscription than the original WoW. No, you have over 100 million subscription yet. If you want to lose more, if then continue as you work, because you will lose a much more. If not Legion is going to be so cool as it can be, uh, going to be very good, and yeah, it's hard. Like I'm playing now, my bar is now I'm a level 3 mage, level 3, 3. I don't talk English at very good, okay? So don't judge me. But I have one thing to say to you, Blizzard. Don't mess with Vanilla WoW. I gave you one warning. If you not, if you not let the Nostalrius make their own server, then you must do something. Then you must make the others come back to WoW with a vanilla server or a TBC server or previous expansion because of their um, experience. What with the new ones, they can begin from the vanilla the to get up to the expansion and up and up and up. But now it's just going down and down and down. So that's not good. Um, like I know Blizzard has the original play, but they will not make the private server because of stealing and want it, but we want it. We do it because we want the old back to because that was really good. And like now, it's not really good anymore. Now it has been many subscriptions has been over five over 5 million have left the WoW because of their uh, the World of Draenor expansion, and that is your mistake, Blizzard. But when you released in 2004 the World of Warcraft vanilla, you started it, and people played and played and played until the Wrath of the Lich King started, and that is gone. Uh, okay. But when it come to Cataclysm, there we saw that it goes down and down and down on the population, and if Legion is going to increase the subscription, then I clap for you. But not mess with the private servers. We only support you. We only support Blizzard for what they have done before it. Want to I want to explain that it's not the original game not to be. We only support it. We only support it. I try to come with here. We only support the others that have worked. That's why we did it. That's why we made Nostalrius and all others, because we support it. We support Nostalrius too, but we support also Blizzard for what they have done in the past, but not on Warlords of Draenor. That really sucks. I mean, it really sucks. Because that it's many. I'm not going to go on statistics right now because now we're talking about Nostalrius. I want to secure that we get it back. We want it back. You saw the live streams of the both of the Alliance and the Horde when it's shut down. It was over 5,000 meetup or something like that. But I don't have the original one, but it was really many of them. I can show you a picture on the screen right now, and it was really enjoyable. I was maybe there, and no, I wasn't there because I didn't have the retail. And like now, I love the vanilla WoW. Oh my god, it's so back to the old ones. Like here in general, they try talk about Blizzard, what they have done to Nostalrius, and I've seen that they have much to do. They have much to do on Legion, but we are not going to talk about Legion here, are we? We are going to talk about what you, Blizzard, can do for making you getting subscription again. It's one thing you can do. Get the servers to vanilla, to BC, Wrath of the Lich King, and maybe Cataclysm and Mop and all of them. You must get it back. Then the beginners going to begin on the vanilla, and they gonna upgrade it to TBC. Then you get all money for it. We will pay it for getting it back, or you can make them to make the servers. And I want you to take pick number 2. They want to, so you can continue as working on Legion. And that I'm going to talk about today. I am Alberkin, and I support Nostalrius. I love your games. It was awesome. It was awesome to play. It was. I have played once, and it was. I feel like I was there. I was there 4 years ago. I have played all the games. Like I played very long. Um, I've played very long. On about when Vanilla was released, I was there. I was there and just feel it. I felt it. It was, see here they say fuck Bliss. That's because of what you have done. If you come to Kronos, I will I will say you one thing, and I want to talk to you. I will talk to you, and I won't give up. I'm not against you, but you are against us. Thank you for watching. I'm Iberkin, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.